this video, we're going to work out an individual integral. We're going to take a look at the integral of sine x over 1 plus cosine x squared dx. All right, this is going to be a straight U-substitution integral. And with our standard U-substitution, we kind of like to find that insidemost part and let our U be that. All right, we also can consider the fact that when we take the derivative of cosine, that's a negative sign, which will allow those signs to cross out. So we're going to start with letting U equal that inside part of that denominator. So 1 plus cosine x. We'll take the derivative of both sides. So we'll have a du is equal to the 1. Take derivative of 1, that falls out. Derivative of cosine will be that negative sine x dx. All right, I want to go ahead and solve all the way down for dx. So I'll have a du over a minus sine x is equal to that dx. Then I'm going to come back up to the integral, and I'm going to start doing some substitutions. So I'm going to have the integral. I'll still have sine x on top. All right, replacing the inside part there with my u, I will have a u squared. And replacing dx with what it equals, I'll have a du over a minus sine x. This is going to allow us to cross out those sine x's, get it all down in terms of u. The only thing I need to do here is take that negative and pull it out in front of the integral. So I'll have a negative integral 1 over u squared du. All right, now to easily take the integral here, we're going to want to implement our laws of exponents, move that u squared up. So we'll have a negative integral of u to the negative 2 du. All right, now I can integrate. Okay, so let's have the negative 1 out in front. All right, adding 1 here will give me a u to the negative 1, putting that in front, negative 1, and then plus c because I've completed the integration. Now, let's do a little bit of algebra here. Let's multiply. Negative times negative is going to give me a positive. So then I'll have a positive u to the negative 1 plus c. We generally like to go ahead and move that back down so that I have a 1 over a u plus a c. And final step would be replacing that u for a 1 over 1 plus cosine x, and then plus c. All right, so definitely a straightforward U substitution, typically found in a Calc 1 class. Thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please be sure and share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.